welcome back to my channel. So this look is a neutral look. I know, how crazy, never do them. And I just realized I'm looking at this camera and not here. So I did a poll on Instagram and everyone voted for neutrals because I do colors way too much. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to start off by priming my face, which I never show on camera because it's always the same thing. I'm using the One Heck of a Blot Primer by Soap & Glory. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I don't know if this will actually make it to like the end product, so we'll see, because this is gonna take me a while. If it does end up making it, I'm using my Pomade by Anastasia Beverly. I'm probably not gonna put this whole thing on. So I'm back. I'm gonna clean up my eyebrows now with my Shape Tape, no color, light medium honey, as always. I have this like really crazy tan now, so this concealer might be a little too bright for me, but we're gonna make it work. Now I look crazy. I'm actually doing a natural look today. I'm gonna give the people what they want, and what they want is neutrals. I'm taking the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place, using this third color on the top row. They're not named, so. This is a Mikasa brush. It's E300, but I like have a discount code for Mikasa brushes. I just don't remember what it was because it was so long ago, but if you want it and if it still works, let me know, because I think it's like 15 or 20% off. I really don't remember. I got you. Save your coins, sis. So I'm actually gonna just like wipe off that color and like bring it up a little, just because that concealer I used was too light for me. It looks kind of crazy, so I'm gonna blend that up into my brow bone. That way it's not too crazy. I'm going to let's put this brown color more in the crease. And then I'm gonna pick up that same Mikasa brush, and I'm gonna add just a little bit more of that light brown that I put, and just like blend that together. I'm only using this palette, by the way. With the flat brush, I am going to take this light brown. I'm gonna put this on the second half of my lid, where you see right here. Taking this gold and I'm popping that into the front of my lid. The same flat brush is so I can just literally turn and blend these colors together without the hassle of picking up two different brushes. I took the same blending brush that I used, a dark brown, and then I just applied more dark brown on this outer V. Okay, so for my face, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Matte in the color 109. I was previously a 107 before my tan, and when I went to Ulta, I'm pretty sure the 111 fit me perfectly. But the only 111s the store had were both open, and I didn't want to take them. And whatchamacallit, I went like days later, maybe like a week later, and they still didn't restock, and I was like, you know, whatever, I don't want to wait because I knew I was gonna have to film soon. So I was like, let me pick the 109 up and I swatched it on my neck in the store. Mind you, this was the last one, so I was like, this better be like my color, because I don't want to fuck someone else over, you know, opening it and then doesn't even work. But anyways, I swatched it on myself in store, and I felt like it was a little too yellowy for my face. I don't know if it comes off like that in camera. I mean, it matches me, I guess. It matches my tan. It matches my body, not really like my actual face, because I did peel my crazy tan that I had, but it's not terrible, and I can definitely make it work with concealer and all that other good stuff. This is my color for the summer. So now for concealer, I guess I'm just gonna use my regular neutralizer from the Maybelline Dark Eraser Circle Treatment, long name. Okay, so for bronzer, where's my bronzer? Oh, it's literally right in front of me. For bronzer, I'm gonna be using the NYX matte bronzer in the color medium, if I could open it. Just putting that down the hollows of my cheeks to make it look slimmer, you know. On my forehead to make my forehead look smaller. It's all about creating an illusion on that double chin, or the jawline if you don't have a double chin. God bless your soul. Make sure to bring it down to your neck, because you don't want to be looking all types of crazy colors. I'm bringing it all the way down just because I'm wearing white and I don't want to ruin the shirt, because I just got it. Actually, my shirt says Calm Fit. My cousin designed it. She's only 16 and she's already starting her own clothing brand. She has her own website. Well, I think the website's in the making, but her Instagram is KCNYC. I will double check and I will put it somewhere here. If not, it's gonna be in the description box below. But support her, y'all, because she's young and she's driven and she's family. So down the sides of my nose to make my nose appear smaller, a little snatched. The Makeup Revolution Strobe highlighter in the color Gold Addict. Damn, sis. Can't tell if I add too much of this shit is popping. Cody Wolf. Look at that difference. I don't even have to turn to the side for you to see my highlight. I love that. So I put it on the apples of my cheeks so you can like really see it. So my camera kind of died on me in the middle of me doing my highlights, but I'm back and I'm better. Just gonna apply this highlight everywhere, like bam, bam, bam. Okay, so then actually I'm gonna also put this in my inner tear ducts. Like, it looks like a pencil brush. This is also a Mikasa brush, is the E310. Yeah, right there. Bam. And then I'm gonna put some on my brow bone, well, under my arch, right there. I'm going to take that light brown that is right here, and I'm gonna add that to my bottom lash line. I'm actually gonna take the same brush, doesn't matter, and I'm gonna add a little bit of that dark brown just like in the corner. I'm gonna be using the Lorac, what is it? I know what it is, I use it all the time, but I don't know the name of it. Front of the Line Pro in black for these little tiny babies. Wow, this is not the YSL mascara. I don't know why I said it's Estee Lauder. Me doing my mascara made me realize that the reason I want to start getting into like doing talk throughs is because when I'm doing my makeup and I don't talk, my mouth gets like really, I don't even know what the word is, like I forget right now, but like a lot of my concentration goes into my mouth, so I'm like, and I don't realize it when I'm doing my makeup. I only realize it when I'm watching my clips, and I'm like, what the hell, why am I doing it? So I figure if I talk or I do my makeup, that won't happen. And then I'm gonna do my lashes off the camera because that might take a while. I just realized my hair grew during this whole video because it was wet when I started, but these are the lashes I'm wearing. They are the Ardell Faux Mink 817. I think I wore these in one of my videos already, but I love them. They're so pretty. My door just opened with the wind, so that kind of scared me a little bit, sorry, but I love them. They're so pretty and they're so lightweight, and Ardell is cheap, sis. Like, they're cheap and they always fit my eyelashes perfectly. Like my whole lid, they fit perfectly. So these are them. So for my lips, I really don't know what color I want to do. Like, I have 1,000 lipsticks, but I can never figure out like the perfect color, and I always end up using the same one. Like right now, I'm gonna be using my NYX lip liner in the color Natural. I use this all the time. I like how I look. Can I just leave it at this and like add some glitter on top of it, like some gloss, because this is not too bad. My Dose of Colors and Desi and Katy lip gloss. What's this called again? It's called Over the Top. Alright guys, so this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the talk through. But yeah, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on my notification, the little bell, just so that you know when I post. Follow me on all my social media platforms. They'll be in the description down below. I think that's it. So I'll see you guys next time.